Hi everybody, my name is Hannah and this is Pepper and Pine and I have a fabulous kit to share with you. This is the Superhero Mask Making Kit and it is available at Over the River Felt. This kit is awesome not just because it comes with everything you need in order to create 15 awesome looking superhero masks, but because it's also made from a higher quality felt than you are probably used to. This is a wool blend felt that has wool and rayon, so these are all natural materials. It also comes with a lot of little accessories that I'm showing you here, as well as the elastic. So it comes with everything you need. The only thing that you're going to need additionally are either glue or a sewing machine. We were going to use some embroidery thread and do some stitching. I can also pull out my sewing machine, but I turned on my glue gun and started using my glue gun, and it was so fast and easy that I opted just to do that for all of them. So my 11-year-old son and my 6-year-old daughter are going through these supplies trying to figure out what design they want to make. So once they designed it, I was able to glue it for them. They are certainly capable of gluing it, but the only thing is that because the hot glue kind of cools quickly, it is a little bit challenging if the kids want to do this on their own. So I would suggest either using a tacky glue in order to glue it together, although I don't know how long that will last, or you just get in there and help them with the glue gun. And if your children are a little bit older, they could probably stitch this on their own. Okay, so my 6-year-old daughter designed hers really fast and she's ready for me to assemble it. So I'm just going to scoot my son aside and I'm just going to glue this together. So I'm trying to get glue on all of the different tips of that star and around the whole entire perimeter of those different pieces, but I actually add glue to those, I guess we're going to call them eyelashes, but you don't need to because you can see that it's off to the side of the mask. So then I realized that for the next one that I wasn't going to add quite so much glue. Now I probably added more glue than what was necessary, but this isn't going anywhere. These are very durable. If you're using hot glue, it's going to stay in place. Now the only thing I was hesitant to use hot glue for was the elastic bands, but I decided to go ahead and give it a try since I already had my glue gun out. I went ahead and I used hot glue for the elastic band and it works beautifully. Now that's the only piece that might wear out over time and you might need to just stitch that in place. The directions also give a good tip of gluing the elastic band between the two layers of the mask, and that might keep it in place a little bit longer. So here I am getting in on the fun and making my own mask. I wore it too. It was a lot of fun. The material for me is a little bit warm my kids didn't mind it, but I found that I probably would have preferred something that was more satiny if it was going to be a mask, but my kids did not have a problem with it at all. So I want to show you how many we made. We had leftover supplies and we still made 15 masks. And I'm just showing you these last 3 ones. We didn't assemble them. I just wanted to show you them. These are the ones that we actually made. My kids loved it so much. I was not anticipating the enthusiasm for this kit as much as they had. They had an awesome time. If you want to know more about this kit, there's information down in the description box below. If you want to see what we're up to in our homeschool, I've left a couple of videos here for you. And if you want to see what we're up to on a daily basis, you can find me on Instagram at Pepper and Pine.